Some e-commerce storehouses and supermarkets in Shanghai have resumed business to meet residents' demand for daily necessities amid the COVID-19 resurgence. The mega-city is under temporary closed-off management to battle the Omicron variant. It is establishing a white list to restore the operation of the wholesale markets, distribution centers, e-commerce warehouses and other outlets that strictly implement epidemic prevention and control measures. Couriers from non-epidemic hit communities have been allowed to return to work.
对独居老人、妇婴等特殊人群，各区建立了重点保供企业和街镇之间的紧密的应急保供机制。
On Saturday, Shanghai reported more than 1,000 new locally transmitted confirmed COVID-19 cases and nearly 23,940 local asymptomatic cases.